Bye-bye.
Shaira cousin in today.
Wala, ay grabe ako top 5. Grabe ako top 5. Wala akong
But dark already.
grabe ako din mo.
Dapat ang gakan.
Okay na kayo pa niyan.
Amo daw. Ay, bye-bye.
Oh, yan yung agad ko. Sige.
Kitatamot lang tayo. So guys, I'm gonna interview my cousin who win 3rd place in Miss Camachiles 2025, and I will ask what prize and what she have right now. So here, this is my cousin Chloe Desiree Caspe.
Hi everyone. Thank you for those who watched me today. I won as the 3rd placer.
And can I ask what reward you have right now?
I have this plaque, this sash, bouquet of flowers, a certificate, and I think it's cash prize and sponsor. I think 1,000 pesos voucher at Kuya Korea.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So thank you guys. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.